In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur the video background in CapCut PC. Launch your CapCut video editor. Create a new project by clicking on Create Project. Import the video that you want to work with by clicking on the Import button. Drag the video to the timeline. Now copy the video and paste it above in the timeline. Select the top video by clicking on it. In the right side menu, click on Remove BG. Click on Auto Removal. Wait for the auto removal process to finish. Select the original video by clicking on it. In the top left menu, click on Effects. Drag the blur effect onto the original clip. You can adjust the length of the effect by dragging the edges of the blue part on the overlay clip. You can also adjust the intensity of the blur effect in the top right menu. If you click anywhere in the timeline by mistake, you will see that it deselects the clip and the blue effect option disappears. But if you select the original clip again, it doesn't show the blue effect option like before. To bring back the blue part, right-click on the original video. Click on Edit Effects. It brings back the blue effect part. Select the top video again. In the right side menu, click on Basic. Increase the scale by 1%. Now, if I play the video from the start, you can see that the video background is blurred.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.